What are articles? Articles are words used before noun and they modifies noun. As they give more information about nouns, they functions as adjectives in the sentence. Articles defines whether the noun is used in specific context or general context. There are three articles in the English language: a, an, and the. Articles are divided into two main categories: definite articles and indefinite articles. Article the comes in the list of definite articles as it shows uniqueness or specific thing. Article a and an comes in indefinite article as it does not show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is in general. Let's take an example to understand it better. Suppose there is a group of apple in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat one of them, then what will you say? You will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Now suppose you want to eat a specific apple from a group. Let's say the first one. You will say, I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. You can notice here that how we use the for pointing out specific apple and for generalized apple. You can also notice that we use an, not a, for pointing apple in general context. Let's understand why we use an instead of a. Basically, there are 26 letters in English, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the consonants you can see on your screens. If a word is beginning with the vowel sound, we use an, and if a word is beginning with the consonant sound, we use a. Let's take an example. An ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Notice the word hour as H is silent here, so the sound starts with a vowel sound. Let's take an example when we use article a. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book. These all starts with the consonant sounds. Let's look into words that starts with a vowel letter but the vowel is of consonant. A European, a university, a 1 rupee note. These all letters starts with the consonant sound, so we use a here. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you.